Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart for Home. Today, we're diving into a common issue many of us face, programming a universal remote for your air conditioner. Whether you've lost your remote or just want to simplify control, we've got you covered. Stick around as we walk you through everything you need to know about universal remote codes for AC units. Let's dive in. Step 1. Locate manufacturer code. First things first, you need to find the manufacturer code for your AC. This code is crucial as it tells your universal remote how to communicate with your specific brand of air conditioner. Explain where to find the manufacturer code in the AC's manual or online. Step 2. Programming your remote. Now, let's program your universal remote. 1. Turn on your air conditioner manually. 2. Press and hold the setup button on your universal remote until the indicator light turns on. 3. Enter the manufacturer code using the number buttons on your remote. 4. Press the power button. If your AC turns off, programming is successful. Step 3. Testing and troubleshooting. It's time to test your setup. 1. Try turning your AC on and off using the remote. 2. If it doesn't work, repeat the programming steps with a different manufacturer code. 3. If you're still having issues, check the batteries in your remote or consult the manual for troubleshooting tips. Conclusion. And there you have it. Programming your universal remote for your air conditioner doesn't have to be complicated. Remember to keep your manual handy for future reference. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.